welcome to Cooking with Kakashi. Today, we are making a recipe that takes over 100 years to master. That's right, we're making the curry of life. The curry of life, whoa. The curry of life is so powerful that it's even known to revive ninjas in Naruto. Oh my God. So, let's stop wasting time. Let's go make this thing. We're gonna kick this curry off with 2 red onions. Stack the other one on top and use a chop jutsu. If you don't know what chop jutsu, you can use a regular old knife. Next, we're gonna slice up 2 tomatoes. And peel and grate about a tablespoon of ginger. Perfect. So then move that off to the side, because we got beef. This is 1 pound of eye round. We're gonna cut this up into about 1-inch cubes. There's no jutsu for cutting up beef. I know, I was shocked too. I don't know, is that 1-inch cubes? Not even close. I meant 2-inch cubes. There you go. Over at the stovetop, we got a large pan. On medium heat, we put in a tablespoon of oil. This is grapeseed. Ooh, so shiny. We're gonna throw in our tomatoes and onions. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna stir that up and let that cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, let's take this over to the blender. Goes right in there. And curry of life, you know that life part? We're gonna add in 10 Thai chili peppers. That should give it some life. Cap on, blend. Blend. And check that out, so smooth. Let's go back over to the stovetop. Same pan as before, tablespoon of oil again, but this time, throw in our meat. Along with our ginger, 4 cloves of minced garlic, teaspoon of salt, and pepper. We're gonna stir this up and let it brown for about 5 minutes. To that, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cumin and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This also contributes to the life part. Basically, life equals spicy. Stir that up and let it cook for another minute. Now, we're gonna add 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 1 tablespoon of our house-made curry. Get this in the coconut curry video if you wanna check it out. And now, let's add in our tomato onion puree. Let's give that a stir. But now, we have a problem. That curry of life was bright red. And look at this isn't bright red, this is bright orange. So what's the secret ingredient to make this bright red? Luckily, I've cooked Filipino food, so I know exactly what it is. Boom! Annatto powder. Teaspoon of this should take care of that. Only thing to do now is cover it up and let it cook for 30 minutes. All right, we're ready to go. Take that off the stove, grab yourself a plate, and film the rest tomorrow when you have better light. That's what I'm talking about. Throw down some rice. And let's top that off with our curry of life. Mmm. Oh. Clean the plate up for the thumbnail. Sit down, let's taste this thing. Check that out, look at this. Mmm, a little bit more soupy because that's how it looks in the show. Which I am in. Check it. Mmm. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my God. Oh. Woo! Woo! That's a little spicy. Mmm. Packs a punch. Flavor's so good though. Oh, I love that. Beef is so tender. The only thing, it's not as bright red as I wanted it to be. But here's the thing. It takes 100 years to master this curry. This is like year 3 for me. I got a little bit of time. Let's maybe revisit this one later. Dude, what? You should try some curry of life. Can you bring it over here? Busy. Thank you for watching Cooking with Kakashi. If you like this episode and want to see more, subscribe. We're doing a whole series on Naruto recipes. And thank you.